have questions. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I have another one from Outre's Human Hair Blend line. This is Norvina. She's a little bit different than the construction of what Maximina was, which is also from this same new line. So you definitely want to check out this full video, get the pros and cons, because I feel mixed ways. Y'all know the drill, you already here, so if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I mean, you know. So here we have Norvina. She's a 13x4 quote unquote 360 wig from Outre. Another one from their Human Hair Blend collection. I was not really impressed with their hairline. I felt like it was even less pre-plucked than the other one was, Maximina. But it all does come with the same, you know, 360 lace in the back and everything-ish. And I actually noticed these 13x4 frontals are a lot wider than the 13x6. The 13x6 goes farther back, but very narrow. The 13x4 is very wide. And I kind of feel like I actually might prefer the 13x4s while we're still, I guess, in this lace shortage, because I like wider parting spaces. I don't want my parting to go back too short, but I also like, you know, some space because, as I've talked about before, I like a side part. So I'm happy with the construction of this unit. The fit is pretty good as well. I aimlessly cut the back of the lace off because I really couldn't do much with it anyway. Also, I didn't find my hair scissors till the end of this video, so you'll be seeing me use regular scissors for this video. I'm installing the wig using the spray as usual. The Got to Be High Insta Hold. And I think I was actually talking about the fit and got a little sidetracked. The fit is all right. It's a little bit tight for me, as Maximina was. I figured it would be because Maximina was kind of tight. But, you know, that's one thing I'm missing from this construction, is because usually I don't have any issues with Outre's sizing. Usually Outre's sizing is perfect for me, but this one was just a little bit off. Not a terrible fit, but not the best fit I've ever gotten from Outre. And then I'm cleaning up the hairline with some alcohol, and then I'm using a little bit more spray to go back and make the lace transparent again. Coming through with the elastic band for that atomic melt action. Nothing melts the lace like an elastic band. And then after that, I just put a little makeup back on the hairline to blend it in with my skin. It blended ever so nicely. Like, what lace is going on here? And I really just used a wand real quick on this to flatten it down. It did not take much to style this at all. I burnt my ear too in the process, but we're all good. No scar. Nothing injured. And then I put a little bit of foundation into the part to blend it out and make it more prominent. After gonna have to come to the front of the class again on this one. I talked about the same issues in a lot of detail in my Maximina video, and a lot of the same issues are still present with Norvina as well. First off, I will say the price is a little bit better. Now, they claim this to be 13x4 360 lace, but I feel like this had even less of like a 360 lace even in the back. Maximina could claim it like by a centimeter, but this just didn't have it at all to me. Like, this is a lace front wig. There's like literally nothing you can do with the back of this wig. It is very pretty. The lace is amazing. However, this hairline I felt like was even thicker than Maximina was. Maximina, I felt like I could tell where they kind of pre-plucked it, but they ain't really pre-pluck it. This one was like nothing. Like, you're on your own. And I feel like when we hit the $50 range with synthetic wigs, I expect it to come with more. And I'm very shocked that this is what they decided to scale back on, because Outre usually comes with it with the pre-pluck job. Usually when I'm plucking a synthetic wig, it's just because I don't want all the baby hairs in the front, because I tend to go no baby hair. I had to pluck this. I was plucking this like it was a human hair wig, like that I had to bleach and customize and all that. Like, I mean, I took my time plucking this. If you skip through the video to just get to the review part, I just want you to know this ain't the hairline. You're gonna have to rewind and go back. I don't ever think I've had to pluck so much hair out of a synthetic unit. Like, I literally saved the hair so I could show you guys. Like, literally, this is how much hair I had to sit down and pluck out of this unit. Like, it's a whole hairball here. So if you ain't up for plucking, you ain't up for Norvina. I am loving the hair quality that they're doing with this human hair blend line, because if you never worn human hair blend, it used to be more popular a couple years back, but if you never worn it, the hair quality is amazing. Like, it feels and looks a lot more human than even like your upgraded pure synthetic wigs look. This one, however, I will say does give a bit of a Outre melted hairline feel to the hair. Once again, with this unit, the stock car colors were sold out, so I couldn't get my hands on that, unfortunately. So I just went with my safe choice, which is always amber blonde. I absolutely love Outre's amber blonde. It's just, we go together. Maybe I should have got this in like a 1 or a 1B or something to do like a, since I did blonde last time, maybe do something natural, but I didn't do that, so here we are. The hair obeys really well. I honestly almost didn't even have to put any heat on it to lay it down. I do wish that Outre had made this a 13x6. I don't know what made them go back to 13x4, because typically they always give us 13x6 when they do frontals. So I don't know, maybe it was just really expensive to get human hair blend for them. I'm not sure. I'm just trying to think of the reasonings for why they're changing things we like, but also giving us things we might like too. I just looked up my video for Outre Perfect Hairline Janice so we can compare a little bit. So this one was under $40, and that was a perfect hairline wig, 13x6 HD lace. So essentially these are very similar units. So construction wise, they're just about the same, but Janice is honestly just a tad bit better. Really the only difference you're getting is the actual quality of the fibers. I would say this looks more real to me than Janice did. I remember feeling like Janice just looked a little bit synthetic-y and fake to me. So I would say that would be the upgrade that you got, but they also charged more for this unit. So I feel like if you're going to charge more, with Janice being under $40 and this being in the $50 range, I wonder, is it just that it's more expensive to get your hands on human hair blend? Like, is that what's really hiking the price up and pulling back on the construction? Like, I don't know. I'm just curious. But I don't have all the answers. I'm not in their back office. I am curious though to know like how we get here. I have questions. So I don't know, I'm still really torn with these units. I feel like it has some great pros like the hair quality, but it also has a lot of like setbacks too that don't typically come with Outre units. But if you are interested in this unit, I will have all the details down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.